Hey guys, in this video we will see the status of fisheries in India and all about the problems and way ahead and solutions and the current developments in the fisheries in India. So first of all, let's consider some of the facts related to the fishing in India. That India's current production is approximately 10.2 million ton, and it is the latest data as per the 2014-15 production, and out of which 6.5 million ton was from inland sources and 3.5 million ton from marine sources. So India's inland fish production is far ahead than the marine production. Second fact is that fisheries contribution to GDP is about 67,000 crore, which is a whooping 1% of the total GDP of India at current prices. And it actually also contributes to 5.2% of the total agricultural GDP. And it gave employment to about 15 million people. That is around 1.5 crore people are actively involved in the fisheries in India, and 3 million are involved through cooperative sector. And out of all the people that they are involved in the fisheries, 75% are in inland. And if you talk about the worldwide share of fisheries of India, the worldwide production share of fishes of India is about 5.6%, and the worldwide trade share of India is about 2.5%. So Indian fishes is one of the largest industry in the world. Now if you consider the problems of fisheries, the first problem is the shortage of fund. Actually the fund shortage and the fund channelized, actually the funds in this sector is channelized through National Fisheries Development Board, and the cooperative sector, which engages about 3 million people, 3 million fishermen, is in direct contact with them. Means the direct contact between the cooperative sector and the fishermen is neglected by the government. So to improve the life of fishermen, center should actively engage with the cooperative sector. Second problem is the infrastructure. The infrastructure for marine fisheries is very poor, and it leads to about 15 to 20% post-harvest loss. Third one is the less active involvement with the cooperative is have already been explained. Fourth one is the technology lacking. India needs to use technologies like cage culture to improve its production, but we are in every agriculture we are lacking of the technology. Every agriculture crop and product or anything, and the storage problem is also there, and one of the problem is also the low yields, and the quality of the fisheries is also a problem, because in to boost export, India needs to develop India. There should be a value added products, and India's current production of quality fish seed is far lower than demand, and traditional fish feed made from only rice, bran oil and cakes is not high yielding. So these are some of the problems, and the center has taken some of the steps that, like center has formulated a program to tap water resources and the neglected bodies such as wetlands for breeding through modern technologies. And the center has actually provided 1800 crore as a fund for 5 years to boost the Modi's vision of blue revolution for 5 years, and but it was very short, because the 12th 5-year plan actually recommended 6,000 crore, and the government has only allotted about 30% of the prediction of working group of 12th 5-year plan. And officials said also a big thrust in this program would be on using untapped water resources for breeding inland fish and making available quality fish feeds to fishes. Okay. And actually India has vast untapped water resources in form of rivers and canals, floodplain lakes, ponds and tanks, reservoirs, brackish water. So these are so to tap all these water resources, government of India has actually formulated a plan to increase the fisheries production, to increase its export, to tackle the problems. The way ahead in this sector could be like India should use more and more new technologies. Like India should use cage culture, and India should train its fishermen also to about these technologies. More funds, as we have already told you, that only 1800 crore is not enough, because 12th five-year plan has recommended around 6000 crores. So more funds needs to be allocated to the fisheries sector. And the most important problem in India is India export is like India has not actually realized the potential of deep water fishing, and it has been over exploiting shallow water resources. So India should focus on deep water fishing, because then we will get some big fishes and they will boost our export. And thrust on untapped sources, we have already told you, because the center has already launched a program also. And to boost export, we need to focus on value added product, and the training of fishermen is also a part of the problem. So thank you.